Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to activate do not disturb mode in this device. Okay, if you turn on do not disturb mode, it will mute the notification and the call during meeting or while you are sleeping, right? So go to the quick settings. Now here you can see the option do not disturb. If you tap on this one, then you can adjust the schedule for this option. Okay, you can select until you turn off, otherwise you can select the time, how many hour that you want to enable this do not disturb. Now this is for the 1 hour. If you want to increase 2 hour, 3 hour, like that. Okay, after that tap on turn on. From this time you will not get any notifications or call. Okay, so simply in this way you can activate do not disturb mode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.